makes US up to $7,000 every single month. It is passive income streams, takes 60 minutes to set up, great for beginners. Plug in once and profit for years to come. No tech skills required. All it takes is 60 minutes to set up and running. 30-day money-back guarantee. Get $1,485 in bonuses for free, dear friend. I don't know you, but I can guess why you're here. Little question. Still looking for a way to make money online? Is it necessary for you to do this, or could something go wrong? I see. It's not uncommon for people to rely on you. So I understand how important it is for you to start making money online. I was in the same boat as you. It wasn't long ago that I was in the same situation as you. I was broke and desperate. I lost my job. And desperately need money. I still remember it was yesterday. I lost my job and can't pay bills. My marriage. My taxes. My rent. My bank loan. To be honest with you, I have reached the point of extreme despair, so I looked up for ways to make money online. I have tried many ways to make money online, like e-commerce, affiliate marketing, YouTube videos, and enroll in many courses. But nothing seems to be working or require a large budget. However, I didn't give up. I had to make things work for me. But suddenly I discovered something that completely changed my life. The funny part about this, it was so simple that a child could do it. It only took 60 minutes of work to set up, with little technical skills. I found the ultimate formula for making money online. I was stunned by the results. Here's what happened the next week of setting up this system. Bang! I received $615.09 in my PayPal. You may be wondering, can I do this? Yes, you can. Because you're about to access the same thing that we're using. The same simple method that only professionals know about it. Just imagine, in just 4 steps, you'll get money credited messages round the clock. All you have to do. Buy Genian. Set up your payment gateway. Upload it on your server. Make instant sales and keep 100% of the profits. You are in the right place. At the right time. It sucks to miss out on everything, while you see others succeeding. Unfortunately, you end up seeing success as mere luck, and being in the right place at the right time. The good news? You did exactly that. You can use the same products we use to pocket $700 to $1,000 weekly with little work or effort. It is the only system you will need. This, in turn, allows you to live a comfortable life, where you don't need to live on a tight budget. Isn't this the life you want to live? Well, now you have a chance to do exactly that.